Hi friends, we are going to play with these animal sounds today. Let's see which ones we should do first. Should we find the yellow duck? Quack, 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 quack. Can you find the yellow duck? Look at that duck, he's swimming in the water. Next, let's find a pink pig. Can you find the pink pig? Oh, look at that pink piggy. All right. Who should we find next? Maybe we should find a cow. Can you say moo? Let's find the cow. Cow. Next, let's find a kitty cat. Can you find the cat? Meow, meow, meow. Aww. What a cute cat. He's black and fuzzy with bright yellow eyes. Next, let's find the sheep. Oh, look at the baby sheep. That's a lamb. It's fuzzy and white. I think we should find a dog. Can you find a dog? There he is. That was quick. Next, let's find the goat. Look at that goat. He has long horns and a beard. Next, let's find a bird. Oh, there's a bird. That pigeon has so many pretty colors on its neck. Pigeon. Next, let's find a horse. Wow, that horse is running. Go, go, go. Next, can we find a frog? The frog says, ribbit, ribbit. Look at that frog. Wow, that was fast too. Next, let's find the rooster. Oh, those are baby chicks. And at the bottom, let's find the donkey. Oh my goodness, look at that donkey. He's so loud. We can do some of the animals again and we'll find new pictures. Oh, that was the same picture. We'll touch it again so we could get a different one. There we go. There's a different duck. Let's see if there's a different dog. Oh, look at that fuzzy dog. Dog. Maybe we can find a different piggy. Oh, look at that piggy. Should we do another cow? That is a big cow. Maybe a different cat. Oh, look at the little kitten. Oh, cute little kitty cat. Maybe a different goat? Oh, same goat. If we try it again, we'll find a different goat. Let's try goat. goat. It looks like a baby goat. Baby goat. Let's see the froggy. Ooh, wow. I like that froggy noise. It reminds me of the summertime. Should we do some more? Let's see if we can do some more animals. Oh, wow, looky here. We have an elephant. Elephant. Should we do a monkey? Aww. Such a cute monkey. Whoa. Maybe we can do a dolphin? Oh, that dolphin is jumping so high. I think he's trying to catch that fish. Let's do a lion. Lion. Maybe we could do a camel. Whoa. Did you know that's what a camel sounded like? What about the seal? Maybe next we could try the snake. Whoa. That is a cool snake. Maybe this wolf? He sounds sad. Let's see what the kangaroo sounds like. I had no idea that's what a kangaroo sounded like. Maybe we could try the zebra. Zebra. Now we have a bear. Oh, it's a polar bear. And last but not least, we have the leopard or the cheetah. This picture is a cheetah. Ooh, there's a mountain lion. Wow. Also known as a cougar. I wonder if they have different animals if we touch it again. There's a different monkey. Should we do a monkey again? Oh, there's the little baby monkey. Let's try monkey one more time. Oh, wow. There's a big orangutan. Let's try dolphin. Oh, look at the dolphin. I like dolphins. Should we try another wolf? He looks mean. He has big teeth and white fur. I think he's angry. Let's try the lion. Should we do lion again? I like the voice. Oh, wow. There's the daddy lion. Should we do lion one more time? Oh, there's the baby lion. Let's try elephant again. Elephants are fun. Elephant. Should we do another snake? Ooh, is that a rattlesnake? I don't think he has a rattle. He looks pretty vicious. Let's try one more snake. Whoa. He has a really long tongue. Let's try one more leopard. Oh, that's the same one. Let's try again. Oh, there's a black one. Well, I think that's all for now. Maybe we'll try again and get some more sounds. See you next time.